The girls are wanting like Brazilian blowout, effortless glam. Yeah, there's no glam that is effortless. It's just not a thing. Hey sugar, welcome or welcome back to my closet. I'm Ro the Black Magnolia, your favorite bougie babe, bringing you all your bougie but budget-friendly tips and faves and a little bit of everything in between. Today is more the in-between. I felt like I needed some new hair. And I was like, let me go online and see if I can find me some new hair. And then I realized I needed to stop going online and just go into my closet because I have probably 20 or 30 wigs that I have not even broken the seal on yet. And that is unnecessary. I need to actually start wearing some of these wigs that I have in my collection that I haven't tried yet. And so here we go. I have been so excited to try the Sensational Bare Lace Glueless Lace Wigs. Right here. The difference between the lace, the bare lace, and then this lace. But honestly, I'm not gonna wear it with the lace out, so it really doesn't matter. But I just thought lace so thin, it looks like skin was something that I had to try. So I figured I would. And the box is beautiful. And as you can see, I have already ripped into it. This is the stock card. And it's packaged so nicely. Look at that. Look at all the package sauce, as Mary Kay Bella likes to say. Look at all the package sauce. It's actually wonderful. But I have taken the wig out because I needed to cut it and do all the things to it and not have to do that on camera with you because that's not my gift. But like I said, this whole bare lace thing, it doesn't matter because I always wear my hair out whenever I'm wearing a wig. I'm always afraid of it looking wiggy. I don't want that to ever be my struggle, or just putting it on and being overly confident in my ability to actually apply the wig, going out in the street and looking like I am wearing a mop on my head. I don't want to do those things, so I'm always just going to leave out the front. Plus, I'm trying to save the edges and be kind to them because, like, you know, it's a little thin in there. So we're going to try on this bare lace 13x6 unit, number 4, in a color 2. And when they say 13x6, that means you are getting 13 inches of lace this way with a 6-inch part deep this way. The first number is what you're getting across. That second number is what you are getting in depth and apart. Let's put this on. Let's do it. Okay. Get your wig grip cap on because we don't want the hair sliding around. This is the lace. This is just the color of the lace as it is right here. And I did put a little bit of powder on it when I cut it. If you're a darker girly like me, I don't care how they do this lace unless it is like extremely invisible. It's gonna show up on me. It's just, it is. So, you know. All right, let's get started. It's got the elastic band. Okay, so this is where we are starting. Girl, I need a brush. I didn't bring a brush. Why didn't I bring a brush? Whatever. We're just gonna do this. We're gonna do this just real basic and simple here. Okay, so you can do this super easily without a whole lot of skill or a whole lot of time. I'm leaning down here so that I can see myself down here. I'll be back. And I feel like this hair, this texture is so much like my hair. Look at that. The color, the texture, everything. Yes, I relax my hair. I do. It makes it easier for me to be able to handle my hair. It works with my life. It works with how I live and how I do the things I do. But yes, I do relax my hair. And I feel like this texture is very much like my relaxed hair texture. And I typically don't like textured hair wigs because they tend to feel kind of stiff. But this, in love, obsessed. And it is all on. Oh, I love it. Okay, find my ear tabs. This is a really pretty unit. I really like Ooh, I like it. I really like this. Okay. What are we thinking? Do we love it? Do we love it? Okay, it's kind of humpy. So I always see all of these creators putting on these wigs and doing all these things and flat ironing the thing. And I'm like, okay, I could probably look so much better if I did all of those things, but I'm kind of lazy. And I literally just, it takes everything in me to cut the lace off of a wig. So no, I just can't. Sometimes if I'm feeling really, really like motivated, I'll do it and I'll lay things down and do all the stuff. But mostly, no, I'm good. If I can brush it, I'm gonna brush it and let it be what it is. Okay, so there we have it. And I am what, 5'8". And so I'm not gonna get all the way up, but it goes pretty much down to like right above my waist. It's a really pretty unit. It's very soft. I love how it feels. That just the amount of hair that I showed you, that's this here. Right? And I showed you how I literally just kept a little bit of it out from underneath my wig grip cap and pulled the hair with my fingers. I didn't do anything crazy. If you are going out and it's going to be windy or whatever, you can definitely take a wax stick or a bedhead stick and just lay it down, and that way you'll get more, you know, less movement, more coverage. If you like it a little different than I do, go for it. I say do how you like it. But this for me is easy, and I like that I can move it back and forth and make it look as natural as possible. It is very roomy. I have a smaller head and there's a lot of room in this wig, I gotta say, especially using the adjustable band. There's a lot of extra room in here. And so that does make me a little nervous sometimes. I flipped the hair over onto this side because I had a little bit of the lace that was showing, because I didn't really like pull it out and do it properly and do all the things that I usually do to like make sure the lace isn't showing. There is a trick that I have for that though that I will show you in a second, but this is my other trick for it. Like literally just flip the hair over onto the other side. Since this right side of my head is the thinner side of my hair, I'll just pull my hair over to this side and wear it on this side here, and that'll hide the thinner part of my hair. Not a problem, but I do usually like to wear my hair on this side, which is probably why this side of my hair is thin, because I'm always messing with that. Do you like it parted this way or this way? You tell me. Let me know in the comments below which way you like to part your hair and which way you think this looks better on me. And I'm glad I didn't go out and spend more money, because I already have a really lovely wig that I like in my collection that I just did not even think about. I don't know, do you do that? Like you forget that you have something and you go out and you order it and you're like, oh, I can't wait to get it. I'm excited about it. And then you get it and you realize you got like 2 of them already. I do that with wigs a lot, because I'll see a creator like put something on and rock it and I'm like, oh, I need that. Well, I watched your video like 6 months ago and loved it when you wore it then, and now I liked it then. I still like it. Here's the trick I was going to show you. So if you have thinner hair, because like on this side of my head, I have thinner hair. My edges is singing the hallelujah chorus and trying to like leave me. But what I do is I will take an eyebrow pencil or a eyeliner, something that is the same color as the hair, not as my scalp, but as the hair. And I learned this from Gladys over on Is That Your Hair? And I just literally will take something that is the same color. Like if I'm wearing something that has highlights in it, I'm gonna just take this, color in the spots that are showing a little bit, and that is going to cover up any of the lace that is showing. Because people always say, in the real world, you cannot wear the wig with your hair out without a ton of hair. It just doesn't work. It does work. You just got to know the tricks. So I would take I like to use the bigger, fatter ones, because I feel like it covers easier than trying to use some tiny little pencil. But I would just take it and I'm going to go into any of the hair. So you see how you can kind of see right there, because I didn't cover it up. I can just take this little pencil. Look at that. Where's the lace now? Where is it? You cannot see it. It is gone. I have covered it with this. Fantastic. Color in the lace. The same color as the hair. So if you're going lighter, use lighter like I showed you with this little gold one that I have. You can use black, brown, whatever color is going to match the hair to hide the lace if you've got a little bit more thinning in the top. My motto is going to be big hair, don't care, every single time. I am well pleased with this unit, and I think that you will be too. It took me a minute to get on the bare lace trend because I knew I wasn't going to wear the hair where you could see the lace, but it is what it is. Make sure before you click off this video that you head down to that subscribe button, click it, turn on your notification bell. That way you will never ever miss an upload. And then head down to the comments. Let me know if you have tried one of these bare lace units. If you have tried the little eyeliner trick with your lace before, if that works. And like the video. If you made it this far, you like me, I like you, we like each other. Let's keep doing this, okay? Okay, cool. And you can keep doing this by checking out this video that I have up here for you that I think YouTube is gonna think is the best option for you to watch after this one, that maybe is gonna help us get even closer to one another. So I'll see you in the next video.